Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Chapter number 7. Duty and Responsibility. Lesson from the Battle of Uhud. History. Brief summary of the lesson. The Battle of Uhud was the second battle between the followers of Muhammad, peace be upon him, and Quraysh. This battle was an extension of the Battle of Badr. Quraysh wanted to avenge their earlier defeat of Badr, so they marched towards Medina with a large army of 3,000 persons. Abu Sufyan was their leader. When the Prophet, peace be upon him, came to know the intention of the Quraysh, he held a council of war. He was personally of the opinion to stay inside the city, but the younger elements insisted that the battle should be fought in the open field at some distance from Medina. At last, the Prophet decided to meet the enemy in the open field outside Medina. They assembled a force of 1,000 men and marched towards Od. On the way, some people withdrew, and the Prophet was left with only 700 persons. The Holy Prophet ordered the Muslims warriors to take up the position at Od on the rising ground. A band of archers were also commanded to take up position on the mount behind main position. The battle started and there was fierce fighting between two parties. The Muslims fought bravely and broke the enemy's lines. The Quraysh fell back and seeing retreat, the contingent of Muslims archers, contrary to the instruction of the Holy Prophet, left their position. Khalid bin Walid took advantage of this weak point and he rushed with some armed men and occupied that position, killing some of the archers. Thus, the Muslim army came under the severe attack from rear and front positions. This changed the course of the battle. Many Muslims were martyred. The Prophet himself was severely wounded. The Quraysh shouted that Muhammad ﷺ had been killed. This news demoralized the Muslims' army, but later, when they came to know that he was alive, they launched a counter-attack and succeeded in driving back the Quraysh. The Battle of Uhud is an important battle in the history of Islam. It taught the Muslims a great lesson. The Muslims archer paid for their disobedience and mistake with their lives. The followers of Islam learned a lesson and they never disobeyed the instruction of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him in future. It is wise to act upon the advice of the leader. Thanks. Any question?